Hey foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of desserts, straight from Australia's kitchens to your screens. Meet Pavlova, a light, fluffy, and delicious meringue-based dessert that's as much a cultural icon as it is a sweet treat. But did you know this seemingly simple dessert holds a few secrets? Stick around as we uncover the untold stories behind Australia's favorite dessert. Named after the famous Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova, this dessert was created to honor her elegance and grace during her tour of Australia and New Zealand in the 1920s. While both countries claim to have invented it, food historians have debated the origins for decades. Let's talk about what makes a pavlova so unique. Unlike regular meringue, a pavlova has a crisp outer shell but a soft, marshmallow-like interior. This is achieved by adding cornstarch and vinegar to the meringue mixture, a technique that was revolutionary when it first appeared. Pavlova is typically topped with whipped cream and fresh fruit, giving it a light and refreshing taste. But did you know that tropical fruits like passionfruit and mango became popular additions because they were widely available in Australia? This tropical twist added a local flair to an already beloved dessert. The earliest known pavlova recipe in print comes from a 1935 Australian cookbook called the Davis Dainty Dishes. Interestingly, it describes pavlova as a multi-layered jelly dish. This version was quite different from the fluffy dessert we know today, showing how recipes evolve over time. In Australia, pavlova isn't just a dessert, it's a centerpiece at festive occasions like Christmas and Australia Day. Its airy texture makes it perfect for hot summer celebrations, and its versatility ensures there's a flavor combination for everyone. Here's an interesting fact. Anna Pavlova's performances were so iconic that many chefs across the world attempted to create dishes in her honor. But Australia's version stood out for its simplicity and elegance, qualities that reflected the ballerina herself. The great Pavlova rivalry. Australians and New Zealanders have been locked in a friendly feud over who invented the dessert. While New Zealand claims to have the oldest known recipe, Australians argue that the dish gained global recognition because of their innovative additions. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about the science behind pavlova. The addition of cornstarch stabilizes the egg whites, while vinegar helps create that marshmallow-like texture. It's all about achieving the perfect balance between crispy and soft, an art form in itself. Pavlova isn't just a dessert, it's a tradition. Many Australians associate it with family get-togethers and nostalgic childhood memories, making it a dish that connects generations. While the classic version is timeless, modern chefs are giving pavlova a contemporary twist with creative toppings like edible flowers, caramel sauce, and even boozy syrups. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. The fascinating story and secrets behind Australia's beloved pavlova. Whether you're a dessert enthusiast or a curious foodie, this dish is sure to impress. If you've never tried making one, now's the time to whip up this masterpiece in your own kitchen. Let's dive deeper into pavlova's versatility. One of the most exciting things about this dessert is how customizable it is. From tropical fruits like pineapple and papaya to rich, indulgent toppings like caramelized nuts or dark chocolate shavings, pavlova is a canvas for creativity. Did you know that pavlova was originally considered a high society dessert? In the early 20th century, only the wealthy could afford the luxury of ingredients like sugar and fresh fruit, making pavlova a symbol of sophistication. Over time, as ingredients became more accessible, it grew into a national treasure loved by all. I remember the first time I tried pavlova. It was at a summer barbecue in Sydney. The combination of crisp meringue, fluffy cream, and juicy strawberries was unforgettable. It's amazing how food can create such lasting memories. In Australia, pavlova making competitions are a thing. From local fairs to national contests, bakers compete to create the most beautiful and delicious versions of this iconic dessert. It's not just about taste, it's about presentation, creativity, and celebrating culinary traditions. Although pavlova is quintessentially Australian, and maybe Kiwi, it has gained fans worldwide. Chefs in Europe and the United States have embraced it, adding their own cultural twists, like incorporating seasonal berries or using mascarpone instead of whipped cream. Let's talk a bit of science again. Did you know that overbeating egg whites can ruin a pavlova? The key is to stop whisking when the peaks are glossy and firm but not dry. This ensures a smooth texture and avoids cracking during baking. Thanks for joining me on this sweet journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious stories from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and tasting the wonders of global cuisine. See you soon.